You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our final episode in our series on becoming a digital nomad. So far, we've explored some of the best destinations around the world. But today, we're focusing on the actual process of moving abroad and how SDC International Shipping can make it easier for you. Whether you're relocating for the first time or making another international move, this episode is packed with tips to help you transition smoothly. First, packing essentials for a remote work lifestyle. Moving abroad as a digital nomad means traveling light while keeping all your work essentials with you. Tech gear. Laptop, external hard drives, noise-canceling headphones, and backup chargers. Portable Wi-Fi and SIM cards, ensuring uninterrupted internet access wherever you go. Minimalist wardrobe. Pack versatile clothing for different climates. Important documents. Digital and physical copies of passport, visa, and insurance paperwork. Storage solutions. Consider secure storage for items you don't need to carry abroad. We offer custom crating, secure packing, and international shipping services for personal belongings, electronics, and work equipment, so you don't have to worry about losing anything in transit. We also offer storage solutions for those things that you want to pack away while you're traveling around the world. Managing customs and documentation. Every country has different custom rules, visa requirements, and important regulations. Here's a few things to consider. Research custom policies before you move. This will avoid unnecessary fees. Understand visa regulations and how long you can legally stay, and know which items are restricted or taxed when shipping internationally. SDC International Shipping has extensive experience handling custom paperwork and compliance. We will ensure your belongings arrive without unnecessary delays or complications. Storage and shipping solutions. If you're planning on traveling frequently, you may not want to carry everything with you. That's where secure storage comes in. SDC offers short-term and long-term storage solution in the US and abroad. Do you need to send your items later? Our door-to-door international shipping can deliver them whenever you're ready. And special items like furniture, artwork, and electronics that require extra care, well, we provide custom packing solutions for added security. And finally, how to budget for your international move. A successful move starts with proper planning. Some key budget considerations include shipping costs. The price depends on weight, destination, and shipping method. Custom fees and taxes. Each country has different import duties. Emergency fund. Always have backup savings in case of unexpected expenses. We provide transparent and accurate moving cost estimates, so you won't encounter hidden fees. Our team will help you find the most cost-effective shipping options based on your needs. Becoming a digital nomad is an exciting journey, but moving internationally comes with the challenges. With SDC International Shipping, you don't have to navigate these challenges. From packing and transport to custom clearance and secure storage, we will handle all the logistics. You can focus on your adventure. If you're ready to make that move, visit our website to get a free quote today. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast for more expert insights on international relocation. Thanks for joining us for this series. Safe travels and happy nomad life.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.